RiskReady isn't just a mobile app. Behind the scenes, we've built a powerful infrastructure that keeps the business growing, our users supported, and our partners engaged. At the core of our operations is the RiskReady Admin Panel, a custom backend system built to monitor performance, enforce standards, and scale intelligently. This is where we track user engagement, partner growth, claims activity, and monetization in real time. We track all major user interactions, form submissions, document uploads, communications with insurers, adjusters, and contractors. This allows us to flag stalled claims, enforce deadlines, and proactively offer help. Our claims command engine feeds into the admin panel. We monitor for violations of statutory timelines and trigger alerts when legal escalation may be warranted, turning claim timelines into actionable insights. Every partner contractor, public adjuster, attorney, or affiliate gets a custom dashboard. We call it Launch Ramp. Launch Ramp is designed to track referrals, performance, client outcomes, and billing in one place. In our payout track feature, we follow the money. Our system flags delays in mortgage disbursements and keeps tabs on contractor draw schedules, ensuring users stay informed and projects stay funded. In the Renewal Radar feature, our backend tracks policy renewal dates and alerts users 90, 60, and 30 days in advance. We also aggregate user reviews of insurers and agents to help with policy switching decisions. Our coaching system learns from thousands of claims to deliver smart, timely advice. It's connected to our user activity tracker and can adapt coaching plans based on user behavior, claim status, and communication patterns. Every contractor in our system goes through a vetting process. Launch Ramp manages approvals, ad spend, communication logs, and build back project oversight. Our admin tools allow us to instantly generate pre-formatted escalation letters and send them via certified mail with tracking automated and logged. We track all revenue streams, user subscriptions, partner licensing, ad purchases, and legal referrals inside one consolidated dashboard. This allows us to optimize pricing, monitor CAC versus LTV, and plan for scale. RiskReady is more than a toolkit for disaster recovery. It's a tech-driven platform built to scale. We've built the systems. We've proven the use case. Now, we're expanding access so millions of families can get, be, and stay ready for whatever life throws their way.